I will get the watering can. I turn off the water. And I'm watering the cherry.